Let us solve question number 12 of exercise 5.2 of chapter 5. This question says that two APs have the same common difference. This means there are two APs in this question, and the difference between their 100 terms is 100. And what is the difference between their thousandth terms? This is very tricky question. Let us solve it. Let the two APs are A1, A2, A3, AN, and the second AP is B1, B2, B3, PN. Since the common difference of these two APs is the same, so let D be the common difference of these two AP. Then nth term of first AP is as follow. And the nth term of second AP is like this. And this is given to us that the difference between their 100th term is 100. So let us find the difference between their nth terms like this: an minus bn, and this is a1 plus n minus 1 into d minus b1 plus n minus 1 into d. And if we solve it, this is a1 plus n minus 1 into d minus b1 minus n minus 1 into d. Now we can cancel out this negative term with this positive term, and what we remains with, this is a1 minus b1. So what we observe here, we observe that the difference between the nth terms of these two APs is equal to the difference between their first terms. So this is given to us that the difference between their 100th term is 100, and this will be equal to a1 minus b1, and here for all n is natural number, and we have to find the difference between their 1000 terms. So we have to calculate this: a 1000 minus b 1000. So it will also be equals to a1 minus b1, and the value of this a1 minus b1 is 100. So the difference between their 1000 term is also 100. So this is the solution of the question. Thank you.